guys, it's Madison. Now today I'm gonna do a all nude makeup look, and I've already primed and done my foundation and concealer and eyebrows because it's always the same, and you can go back and watch some of my previous videos if you want to learn how I do that. But today I'm gonna be just showing you how I am gonna do my blush, bronzer, and eyes. Now the first thing I'm gonna be doing is my blush, which I'm going to be using the Note Beauty Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade Desert Rose. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush and just dab a couple times. Now this is a very strong blush, I think I've mentioned it before, so you only need a couple taps to be able to get a high impact. And I'm just going to put this kind of right in the center here, right between where I would put highlight and contour, and then just a little farther up, and then just bring it. And do the same on the other side. And you can see that is a lot. Now I like this blush because it's not super red, it's more of a nude red. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. complexion brush and just kind of fluff it out a little bit. Just a little bit of the blender. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add some of this Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer, which it is a little bit shimmery, which is kind of weird, but I still like it. I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. This is made for contouring, I believe. And I'm just going to tap a few times in here. Bit of bronzing. Now, unlike the blush, this is not very high impact, so you do need a lot to get anything. But I still think it's very subtle, and I like that, especially for an all nude look, because we're going for more subtle. A little under the jawline. Just a tiny bit on the nose, like I would contour. Alright, and now my face has some depth to it. Now I am gonna do a little bit of highlighter using this ColourPop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Glazed. And it is almost out. I've had this for years, and I don't actually take a brush, I just take a little bit on my finger and just swipe it across where I would put highlighter. And it adds just a tiny bit of highlight. It's not high impact, it just adds a little bit of shine. You can see it more so on my nose. But the way that this is made, it works better with your finger than a brush, although I'm sure you can use a brush if you would like, if you don't like using your finger for things, but I don't mind. Alright, and now the face is complete, so we're going to move on to the eyes now. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be using both Morphe palettes, the 35OM and the 35F, which are mostly, this one's mostly nudes. This one has some shimmery, but I'm gonna use the nude shades for my eyelid. First, I'm gonna dip into a little bit of this color for my crease. I like to start with a lighter shade to help blend out the crease so it doesn't have to abruptly end or be intensely blended out with a darker shade. If you do a similar shade to what you're gonna do in the actual crease, it makes it a lot easier to blend out. Next, I'm gonna be using this shade right here. I'm gonna take that farther into the crease. And I'm gonna bring it all the way around the crease. gonna blend that out just a little bit with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna use this mustard yellow shade for my under eye. And now using the 35F, I'm going to be using this shade right here for the lid. And then quickly use a little bit of the shimmery white shade for my inner corner. I'm gonna also take that under my brow, on my brow bone. I'm just going to quickly blend a little bit of that right here. And now the eyeshadow is complete. I'm going to actually be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara instead of the Better Than Sex today because I have too many mascaras that I never use and I decided I would try another one. And I already got it on my face because I have very shaky hands. This is going on really, really nicely. I think this is probably my second favorite mascara. First being Better Than Sex. Wipe that off. Oh, it came off no problem. That's good. Wow, look at that difference from here to here. Wow. Alright, now that the eyes are done, the last thing I'm going to do is lipstick today. And I'm going to be using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Pillow Talk, which is my favorite nude shade. And it really goes with my hair. Oh, that looks funny. Could you imagine if lips look like this? Alright, and now I just gotta spray my face. And once I let that dry, the look will be complete. And there you have it. There is the finished look of just a regular old nude eye makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and follow me on my social medias listed down below. Alright, bye! Bye!